Guys, this is 2002 Mazda 323 VJ models Protege. So this car had problem is car getting overheat. So you can see in here this bottle, this getting overflow in coolant. You can see drop is coolant there. So this bottle getting out for the coolant. So everywhere is overflow. So the temperature getting high. When we start the car, this temperature gauge is going high. The problem is that the getting thermostat valve is located in here. So that one is stuck, I think. So I'm going to remove the thermostat valve to fix the problem. So we need to off this all the covers to access for the thermostat valve. So after this fan cover, 10mm bolt. I drain the coolant and the drain plug in here. Okay, you can see the thermostat valve in here. We have a 12mm bolt. We have to off that too. The one bolt. And clearly now show the thermostat valve in here. Okay guys, here we got the new thermostat valve. So I'm going to do this one, put it back in there. A little bit applies elastic. Put back. Just go like this. Okay. So we clean this edge of the front. Here. So I'm going to fan, put back in. Okay. Okay. Going to put the coolant. Okay guys, finally done the job. Going to start the car. Okay guys, running fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.